Hello friends, let's see one more ballad, The Inchcape Rock, a poem by Robert Southey. The Inchcape Rock is a ballad. It is regarded as one of the best known poems by Robert Southey. The poem was first published in 1802. It consists of 68 lines. With this brief introduction to the poem, let us jump to our topic. The MCQs on the Inchcape Rock. Number 1. Which of the following is true to the Inchcape Rock? Options are A. It is a poem by Robert Southey. B. It was first published in 1802. C. It tells us a tale of an attempt by the Abbot of Aberbrothok to install a warning bell on the Inchcape. D. All these are true. Answer is D. All these are true. Number 2. Which of the following is true to the poem The Inchcape Rock? Options are A. The poem consists of 68 lines. B. It is composed in quatrain stanza form. C. It reveals the villainy of Ralph the Rover. D. All these are true. Answer is D. All these are true. Number 3. Pick out from the following the opening line of the Inchcape Rock. Options are A. The buoy of the Inchcape bell was seen. B. The sun in the heaven was shining gay. C. No stir in the air, no stir in the sea. D. And there was joyance in their sound. Answer is C. No stir in the air, no stir in the sea. Number 4. Who had installed the Inchcape bell on the sea? Options are A. Sir Ralph the Rover. B. The Abbot of Aberbrothok. C. The King. D. One of the sailors. Answer is B. The Abbot of Aberbrothok. Number 5. Who of the following cuts the Inchcape bell? Options are A. One of the mariners. B. The Abbot of Aberbrothok. C. Ralph the Rover. D. Somebody else. Answer is C. Sir Ralph the Rover. Number 6. In which of the following season the Inchcape bell was cut? Options are A. Summer. B. Winter. C. Autumn. D. Spring. Answer is D. Spring. Number 7. The Inchcape Rock was installed on the sea as dash. Options are A warning of the danger. B. A showpiece. C. A sign of the glory. D. A sign of victory. Answer is A warning of the danger. Number 8. Who of the following grows rich by scoring wealth on the sea? Options are A. Sir Ralph the Rover. B. The Abbot of Aberbrothok. C. The colleagues of Ralph the Rover. D. None of these. Answer is A. Sir Ralph the Rover. Number 9. Who of the following repents for his own action at the end of the poem? Options are A. The Abbot of Aberbrothok. B. Sir Ralph the Rover. C. One of the sailors. D. None of these. Answer is B. Sir Ralph the Rover. Number 10. The last sound heard by Ralph the Rover is of dash. Options are A. The tossing waves. B. The blowing wind. C. The sea breaking apart. D. The inner soul. Answer is C. The sea breaking apart. Number 11. Whose ship sinks at the end of the poem? Options are A. Sir Ralph the Rover. B. The Abbot of Aberbrothok. C. Both. D. None. Answer is A. Sir Ralph the Rover. Number 12. Sir Ralph the Rover's ship goes down in the sea when he was dashed. Options are A. Going away from the shore of Scotland. B. Scoring the wealth on the sea. C. Returning to the shore of Scotland. D. Cutting the Inchcape bell. Answer is C. Returning to the shore of Scotland. Number 13. Dastas is described as a darker speck on the green ocean in the poem. Options are A. The bell. B. The sea. C. The mountain. D. Something else. Answer is A. The bell. Number 14. Sir Ralph the Rover figures as Dastas in the poem The Inchcape Rock. Options are A. Pirate. B. Priest. C. Citizen. D. Shepherd. Answer is A. Pirate. Number 15. The Inchcape Rock is Dastas. Options are A. Ballad. B. Sonnet. C. Ode. D. Elegy. Answer is A. Ballad. Number 16. How many stanzas are there in the poem The Inchcape Rock? Options are A. 9. B. 12. C. 15. D. 17. Answer is D. 17. Number 17. Which of the following is true to the poem The Inchcape Rock? Options are A. It is a ballad. B. The sea is the setting of the poem. C. The poem tells us how the evildoer at last gets punished. D. All these are true. Answer is D. All these are true. Number 18. Which of the following is true to Robert Southey? Options are A. He belongs to the Romantic age. B. He is known as one of the lake poets. C. He became the poet laureate in 1813. D. All these are true. Answer is D. All these are true.